Sleep is an essential pillar of health, yet it's something many of us take for granted until we start struggling with it. Poor sleep doesn't just leave you feeling groggy, it can affect your mood, memory, immune system, and even long-term health. Despite its importance, millions of people make the same mistake every night that sabotages their sleep: using electronic devices before bed. This seemingly harmless habit has become a widespread issue, but the science behind it reveals why it can be so disruptive and how to take actionable steps toward better rest. Electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops emit blue light, a type of light that closely mimics daylight. While blue light exposure during the day can be beneficial by helping regulate your internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm, exposure at night can have the opposite effect. When you scroll through your phone or binge watch your favorite show before bed, the blue light signals to your brain that it's still daytime. This suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy and maintaining your sleep cycle. Beyond the biological disruption, using devices before bed can also stimulate your brain, making it harder to wind down. Whether it's reading work emails, checking social media, or watching high-intensity dramas, the mental engagement keeps your brain active at a time when it should be slowing down. Over time, this habit can lead to a vicious cycle of sleep deprivation, where you feel more tired during the day, rely on caffeine to stay alert, and then struggle to fall asleep again at night. So, what can you do to break free from this cycle? Start by creating a pre-sleep routine that prioritizes relaxation. Aim to power down your devices at least an hour before bed. Replace screen time with calming activities like reading a physical book, meditating, or practicing gentle stretches. If you must use your devices at night, consider investing in blue light blocking glasses or using the night mode feature available on most smartphones and computers. These options can reduce the impact of blue light on your melatonin levels, though they aren't a perfect substitute for turning off screens altogether. Another common mistake linked to disrupted sleep is failing to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. This consistency trains your brain to recognize when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. Pairing this routine with a comfortable sleep environment, think cool temperatures, minimal noise, and blackout curtains, can further enhance the quality of your rest. Diet and lifestyle choices also play a significant role. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime. While alcohol might make you feel sleepy initially, it disrupts the later stages of sleep, leading to poorer rest overall. On the other hand, regular physical activity, practiced earlier in the day, can improve sleep quality, though vigorous exercise close to bedtime might be too stimulating for some people. If you've implemented these changes and still find yourself struggling with sleep, it may be time to consult a healthcare professional. Chronic sleep issues can sometimes indicate underlying conditions such as sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or insomnia that require medical attention. Sleep is a deeply personal and complex process, and what works for one person might not work for another. The key is to remain patient and willing to experiment with different strategies until you find what best supports your unique needs. Getting a good night's sleep is more than just about feeling rested, it's an investment in your long-term health. By avoiding the mistake of excessive nighttime screen use and embracing habits that support your body's natural rhythms, you can set yourself up for better rest and a healthier life. Medical disclaimer. This article is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. If you are experiencing persistent sleep problems, consult a licensed healthcare professional to address your specific needs.